Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to start a dropshipping business getting your products from Temu, this video is for you. Now, Temu is a supplier from China that has lots of great products with competitive pricing, or actually, should I say, really competitive pricing. So I can understand why you want to start dropshipping and getting your products from Temu because the prices are pretty low and you can get a high profit. And also, as a bonus, the shipping times are much faster than some other suppliers like Alibaba or AliExpress, for example. So, to start dropshipping from Temu, here's what you need to know. First of all, Temu doesn't officially allow dropshipping, or there isn't an official direct way to dropship from Temu. In fact, if you create an account on Temu and you start dropshipping, you might get banned from them as they do not allow for dropshipping. So one solution, if you want to get this product, for example, the precision screwdriver set, is to order it in bulk. And then once it gets to your house, you can start rebranding them, adding your own packaging, because items from Temu come in this like yellow generic packaging from them. They do not, as I told you, offer dropshipping, so there isn't the service of like adding your custom package. So you want to repackage them yourself in your warehouse and send them to your customers. This might work if you do have a budget and you can start the business using it. However, if you still want to use the dropshipping method where you basically like list the product on your own website or your stores, for example, Shopify store, and once you get an order, you will order the item from Temu as if you were ordering it for yourself. And however, you need to enter the details like the address and details of the customer who ordered it. So you can do it manually. However, as I told you, you risk being banned from Temu or your account being terminated. However, if you still want to do so, for example, add items or list items from Temu on your Shopify store, as I told you, since there are no like direct way or Temu doesn't allow dropshipping, you cannot find like an official Temu app in order to import products from Temu to Shopify store. If I search for Temu here, for example, you cannot find an official app for Temu as you would with other dropshipping providers or other suppliers such as AutoDS. However, there is one app that you can use. It's called Robo Product Importer. So if I search here for Robo on my Shopify store, click on Robo Product Importer, and I'll get this app. Now, there are two ways to import a product to your Shopify store. First of all, you can install the free Google Chrome extension, and you can visit the product details page, such as this one, for example, on Temu. And then you click the Robo extension and it will extract all the product data, the title, description, images. And then once you verify and edit them, click on add product in order to add it to your Shopify store. However, there is a manual way to do so if you do not want to install the extension or if you're using another browser other from Google Chrome. So you can click here to import a page. And here I need to add the product page link. So let's go back to the product page on Temu and let's copy the link and let's add it here to the importer, the Robo importer, and click on import. And once it finishes, as you can see, it got the title, also the pricing, the vendor. You can add it to a collection. Now, if I click here on the title, it's added. Now, if I click on each product type, it's added here. So it's pretty cool. Now you can see that it didn't get the description nor the images. So for description, you can go ahead to the website and like manually copy the description text and paste it here. And then you can go ahead and get the images manually and add them to the image. And once you are ready, you can go ahead and add product to your Shopify store. Okay, the product title, the product pricing. Okay, let's go ahead and import it once again. Okay, now the product is successfully imported. Now, if you go back here to your Shopify store, and then you go here to your products, as you can see, the product is imported. However, there are no images, as you saw. Now you need to go ahead and manually add the images, and you are good to go. And once someone orders this product from your Shopify store, you can go ahead and ship it to them from Temu.